Hey guys, today I wanted to show you the new toy from Cars 2. It's a remote control car transporter turboloft called Everett. Just so you know, this box is quite big. It measures 21 inches long by 10 inches high. It's from Mattel and for ages 3 and up. So let's open this box and see how it works. This turbojet needs 6 batteries, but 4 already comes with it. You just need 2 more for the remote control. It's a really big airplane, guys, and looks really nice. It's like an Airbus, really robust. And fits 5 cars. But these are just for those small ones, the 155 scale die casts. Just the eyes are paper stickers, the rest, everything else is custom painted. Two things you should know about the remote control. If you move forward, of course the jet is going to go forward. If you move backwards, it's going to go in reverse. But it doesn't go in reverse straight, it's always in reverse doing curves. And in order for you to do the takeoff, you have to go reverse and then forward immediately. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Hope it was fun for you as just it was for me. And see you next time.